Tole, v redu. Napišite mi zdaj. Boste napisali nalog ali ne?
Ne.
Zakaj ne? Zakaj ne?
Zoren.
Ne, hočem, zahtevam. Vašega starošino. Zakaj ste me ustavili, mi povejte? Koliko si v policiji? 5 let, frajer. Jaz sem državna varnost že 25 let. Državna varnost. Mi napisali ne? Ne. Pa, ajde, gasa. Gasa! Ajde, pojmo. Pojmo!
You're good. What agency are you with?
I'm the state attorney.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Your tag didn't come back. Never seen that before. I'm sorry? Yeah. We're good now.
So it was...
We ran the tag. I've never seen it before. A Florida tag. It's never come back to anything before. So that's the reason for the stop.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows were really dark. I don't have a tint measure, but that's another reason for the stop.
Do you guys have cards on you?
Yeah, 1 second. Actually, this isn't my car, but I can write my name down if you'd like.
Yeah, you put my name on it.
What's your employee number? 157. Ready? There you are. Have a good day.